This is how to justify text in Overleaf. Go to Overleaf, and from your project dashboard, you can choose an existing project or you can create a new one. Let's create a new project. Let's choose blank project and let's name this as justify and just click create. Then we will use a package called ragged2e. So we will put it under use package. Okay, we will use package. In between this parentheses, just type ragged and choose this one, ragged2e. Then let's add some text. Okay, we will justify this paragraph. Okay, we will begin and write justify, and we will end this with justify. Then recompile to see the changes. And there you have it, a justified paragraph. So this is how to justify text in Overleaf.